Tell us what information we can get from this graph. The vertex. What is the vertex? Let me double check. My graph is kind of poor. You guys had one on the screen. It kind of went right there. So it was not the vertex. Anything else, Melissa? How about these? What do you call this? The x. It's crossing the x-axis. The x-intercept. Partner A, tell partner B what form we're going to use with x-intercepts. And the other person, tell them the formula. Wilson? Where are you sitting, Wilson? There you are. What form are we using with x-intercepts? You're Wilson, right? Would you use standard form? Factored form is correct. Wilson, what's your partner's name? Guadalupe, tell me what factor form is, the formula. So here's our P, here's our Q. We're going to substitute those in. I have an order pair, X, Y. And you just plug it in and solve for A. Class, what's my Y value? Equals what? What's your X value? Minus P value. 3. X value. Minus your key value. -3. P, oh, I mixed them up. P is -3. Sorry, you were right. And Q value is a +3. Let's go ahead and simplify that. -4 is equal to A. Class 1 minus -3. Or they want us to stress yesterday from yesterday's professional development. This is called the opposite of -3, which gives us what? 1 plus 3, which is 4. 1 minus 3. -2. 4 minus 2 or 4 times -2? Which is what? -8. You're used to writing the -8 in front of the A. How do I solve for A? Divided by -8. What are the factors of -4? -1 times 4 times 1. Factors of -8 are -1 times 4 times 2. So basically I'm showing you how to reduce. So negatives is 1, 4s are 1, A is equal to what? 1/2. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, so we have the E value. If you weren't here on Friday, just get all your information. And then basically you're figuring out you're just solving for A. So the first step is solve for A. Solve for A. And then number 2, get an equation. Get equation. Alright, for my equation, I'm only going to use the purple and the pink. What 2 colors, class? I have 1/2. It's positive. The graph's opening up. Then I can just use the numbers I put in. So x minus -3. X minus 3. And we just clean that up. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3, x minus 3. Partner B, tell partner A why we're almost there, but not yet. Cindy, your partner's name? Brian, why are we not there yet? Okay, what form do we need to get it into? Standard form. Write an equation in standard form. The clues tell us to use factored form to get an equation, so this would be factored form, but I need to get rid of these parentheses. So I'm just going to do the box. X plus 3, x minus 3. Class x times x. Multiply. 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 Y equals 1/2. Combine like terms. What do you get? X squared minus 9. And then I'm just going to distribute the 1/2. Class 1/2 times x squared. 1/2 x squared. 1/2 times -9. -9 over 2, right? You just multiply the tops and the bottoms and get this answer. Fractions are good. So, look at your picture. See what characteristics you have. You should identify x-intercepts. You should recognize factored form. Substitute all your information in there. You'll recognize you're solving for the A value. And then once you have the A value, plug it back in. And then go from vertex to standard by simplifying.